Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Q&A. I feel like I haven't done this in forever. I actually asked people to ask me questions on Instagram. I'm finally getting more moved in. I also just got a job, so I'm finally a working woman. So yeah, let's just get started. How you been? I have been, like, I want to be like, I've been great, but no. I've been going through it lately and I'm getting through it. I've been going through it and I've been getting through it. So I guess that's really all that matters. What are your goals for the next couple of years? I'm excited for what's heading your way. Well, thank you so much. What my goals are for the next couple of years, I definitely want to get that money. Show me the money is what my little art piece says right here. Really excited to grow with my job and just stay focused and just, you know, be able to focus on things that make me happy. Salty or sweet snacks? I'm definitely more of a salty person, not like a salty, like, ooh, so salty. But I'm definitely, I love like salty stuff. Goldfish is a snack that I really like, so it's like salty. You see a wedding in your future with your man? Definitely like in the future. We've actually talked about it. Like, I just feel like I'm only 23. He's obviously older, but you know, I feel like I need to be able to be mature enough to get married. Like, I feel like I'm not mature enough, like, as a woman to feel like I'm able to get married. Any new music? A real reason why I haven't really done music and even really YouTube lately is I definitely am trying to get over depression and anxiety again, which is something that I know that I've talked about, something that has been really holding me back from everything, social media and just being on camera. Like, I'm definitely more like in a shell, and I know that people can really tell, but it is something that I've really been working on and something that people that I surround myself with really want me to succeed and not give up. So I'm really thankful for the people that I have around me that are still there in my head, like, you can do it, you can do it. Favorite part about living in LA? My favorite thing, like, it's crazy because it's like I always wanted to be here, but it's like I don't really have a favorite thing about LA. It's more the people that I've met. I've definitely had ups and downs with people, but I've definitely, the people that I now consider family is definitely what makes LA like my favorite part. And also just all the opportunities that LA can bring for you is something that is amazing. Would you ever model professionally? I'm not really tall enough to model professionally. I'm 5'3", and I don't really have the body to model. Who knows? I don't think I would model professionally. I'll take photos, do photo shoots. You know, my boyfriend's a photographer. Once I get fit again, I'll probably be doing photo shoots and just getting like more like outfit pictures. What do you want to accomplish as an influencer? I want to be that person that can show people that no matter how hard it gets, that you can still conquer all the things that you want to do in life, and it has been taking me longer. I definitely just want to be that type of person for others to just know, like, to stay strong and that you can do it, and I'm still working on it. And yeah. When is your birthday? July 27th, 1995. I'm 23. A lot of people are asking me about marriage and stuff. What age you want to get married at. I am 23, so I don't really know what age. I feel like it's not really the age for me, it's more of just like the maturity and like where my life is. I definitely feel like in the next few years maybe I'll be mature enough to get married, like 26, 27, maybe 25. So in 2 years, who knows? But I just want to feel like I am an adult. What country were you born in? I was born in the United States of America. So yeah, I think that was a good amount of questions for this video. I hope you guys liked it. So make sure to follow me on all my social media links, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!